Today we'll talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Truecaller app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, you go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on calls. Then you come to next here. It's going to show for you like this. You go down here. You just keep going down. So then you come here to choose how to call from call history. Click on change. And here can you select here or choose how to call here in this list. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.